Turkish military rise, how a former buyer became a global defense power. Everyone loves to talk about America, Russia, or China. But just beyond the headlines, a far more dangerous power is rising quietly. A military that doesn't need to shout to make nations nervous. A force that is fast, adaptable, battle-tested, and increasingly independent. That power is Turkey. Once dependent on foreign weapons, Turkey has transformed into one of the most formidable and self-reliant militaries on Earth in barely 2 decades. So how did it happen? A top-tier military by every measure. Turkey is consistently ranked among the world's top 10 military powers. In the 2025 Global Firepower Index, Turkey ranks 9th out of 145 nations, alongside heavyweights like France, the UK, and Japan. Within NATO, only one country has more conventional military power than Turkey: the United States. Not Germany, not the UK, not France. Turkey alone. Its armed forces number over 883,000 personnel, 355,000 active troops, 378,700 reserves, 518,900 ground forces, 115,000 in the Air Force, 100,000 in the Navy, 150,000 paramilitary forces. That makes Turkey Europe's most powerful conventional land force. A defense budget that exploded. In 2023, Turkey spent roughly $16 billion on defense. By 2025, that number skyrockets to $47 billion, nearly triple in just 2 years. A 110% increase since 2015. Now ranked 17th globally in defense spending, already exceeding NATO's 2% GDP target, and committed to reaching 5% by 2035. This is not symbolic spending. This is war-shaping investment. The ground force, massive and modern. Turkey fields over 2,600 main battle tanks, 9,000 armored vehicles, 1,200 artillery systems. Its new Altay main battle tank represents full domestic armored power, 120mm smoothbore gun, composite and reactive armor, active protection systems. Paired with the T-155 Fırtına self-propelled howitzer, Turkey can deliver devastating long-range firepower faster than almost any regional army. The Air Force, fighters in a drone revolution. Turkey operates over 1,000 aircraft, led by upgraded F-16s. After being removed from the F-35 program, Turkey did not collapse. It accelerated. It launched the Khan 5th generation stealth fighter, the Hurjet advanced trainer/light fighter, the Anka-3 stealth UAV, the KIZILELMA unmanned jet fighter. But drones are where Turkey truly changed warfare. The Bayraktar TB2 alone logged over 1 million combat flight hours, destroying tanks, artillery, and air defenses across Syria, Libya, Ukraine, and Nagorno-Karabakh. The heavier Akinci and stealthy KIZILELMA are now redefining air dominance. Turkey isn't just using drones. It's exporting them to over 30 countries, turning unmanned systems into geopolitical leverage. Naval power, from coastal defense to blue water ambition. Turkey now fields 215 warships, 18 submarines, new corvettes, frigates, destroyers, a future indigenous aircraft carrier. The TF-2000 air defense destroyer program marks Turkey's entry into high-end naval warfare. Its fleet dominates the eastern Mediterranean and increasingly projects power beyond it. A fully indigenous defense ecosystem. Over 70% of Turkey's military equipment is now domestically produced. Major firms: Aselsan, electronics, radars, EW, Roketsan missiles and rockets, Baykar, UAVs and unmanned combat systems, TI, aircraft and helicopters, FNSS and BMC, armored vehicles. Turkey now builds everything from rifles to ballistic missiles. Defense exports exceed $5 billion annually and continue rising. Combat tested, not just paraded. Turkey is one of the few NATO armies with continuous real combat experience. Syria, Libya, Iraq, Nagorno-Karabakh. Operation Spring Shield 2020 alone reportedly destroyed 151 tanks, 47 artillery systems, 3 aircraft, 8 helicopters, 3,000 plus enemy troops, using Turkish drones, EW systems, and missiles. This wasn't a simulation. It was proof of concept in real war. Steel Dome, a national shield. Turkey is now deploying a layered air defense system, Korkut for low-altitude threats, Hisar-A/SRO for medium range, Cyper for long-range interception. Together, this forms a national missile and drone defense network, built and controlled entirely by Turkey. Strategic geography, power by position. Turkey controls the Bosphorus and Dardanelles, the only naval gateway between Black Sea and the Mediterranean. It borders the Balkans, Caucasus, and Middle East. It hosts NATO's Incirlik Air Base and nuclear sharing assets. Turkey is not just powerful, it is strategically unavoidable. Not a superpower, but something new. Turkey lacks nuclear weapons and intercontinental missiles, but it has achieved something rarer: strategic independence. It no longer rents power. It manufactures it. It no longer waits for permission. It builds alternatives. Final thought. In just 20 years, Turkey transformed from a weapons importer into a defense juggernaut. From dependency to dominance. From buyer to builder. From regional actor to global power. Turkey is no longer a buffer state. It is a decisive force. Ignore it, and you misunderstand the future of global security.